Welcome to the I Nurture videos.
Hello students! In this module, we are going to discuss about system administration and related commands. We can create file system on Unix by following certain steps for this. The steps are: Number 1. Prepare the device to receive file system. Create the file system inside the partition. Mount the created file system to make it visible to the users. Thus, we have to remember 3 activities: partition, make file system, and mount, in that order. Number 2. The first step is to create partition. A partition is section of a physical disk. It usually is formatted to contain a file system. Each of the 4 DOS partition entries on a disk can be either a primary partition or an extended partition. Up to 4 primary partitions are possible on a disk. fdisk is the universal command line partition table manipulator for Linux. Number 3. After creating partition, the next step is to create a file system on this partition to make it usable. A file system that needs to be used must be created inside an existing drive or partition. Please note, a partition must exist before you can create a file system. Number 4. The next step is to mount the file system. A file system must be created before it is mounted. Unlike Windows, with its multiple drive letters, Linux has a single-rooted file system tree. Mounting attaches an existing file system found on a block device to the Linux directory structure. To access the file system on a disk partition, one needs to access the directory and everything under that directory. By attaching any number of separate file systems anywhere in the same Linux directory tree, one single rooted tree is created. This one single rooted tree is used to access every file on every disk. The mount command can be used to mount the file system from Linux command line. This can be done automatically at the time of system boot. You can only mount file systems, not partitions. To unmount a file system, the command used is unmount. Either the device name or the mount point can be specified to this command, but not both. The important component of Unix which provides a secure method for file storage is file ownership. The attributes for every file in Unix are owner permissions, group permissions, and other permissions. The permissions of a file are most important in Linux. The basic permissions are the read, write, and execute permissions. The directory access modes are listed and organized in the same way as any other file access modes are listed and organized. When it is required to change file or directory permissions, then the chmod command will be used. The 2 ways of using chmod command are symbolic mode and absolute mode. To modify the owner and the group of files, there are 2 commands as chown and chgroup. The chown command is used to change the ownership of a file. The chgroup command is used to change the group ownership of a file. To become a super user, su command is used. The uname command is used for getting system information. Installing, uninstalling, upgrading, querying, listing, and checking RPM packages on Linux system is done by using RPM command. RPM stands for Red Hat Package Manager. To manage the RPM software packages, the RPM command can be used. Dear students, we have in this video covered system administration for Linux and related commands. Trust you will find the information useful.